So many people say they can't find their life purpose. They don't know why they are here on this earth. I think the first problem is most people think that their life purpose is something they need to find, like a needle in a haystack, or a mathematical problem you can solve to figure out what your life is all about. Your purpose is not hiding behind a bush. Your purpose is not hiding. It's not a problem to solve. It is waiting for you to become more present and more conscious. I want to tell you, everyone has purpose on this earth, but your purpose is not coming to you through your thoughts. You cannot think it into existence. Don't overthink it. Your purpose can't be found using brain power or solving a mathematical equation. Your purpose is not going to come to you through your brain. It can only come through your heart, your intuition. And for that to happen, you need to be present. You need to live in the present moment. Give your fullest attention, your best effort to each present moment. Giving your full attention and very best action in each moment will lead to each next best moment. It will lead to expansion and growth in your life, which will ultimately lead you to many things you love doing. And soon you will understand what your purpose really is. But don't rush it. Don't stress over it. No purpose is coming through stress. No purpose is rushing through because you're anxious. Do your thing and do it to the best of your ability in every moment, no matter what it is. If it's taking out the trash, that's your purpose right now. Do it better than anyone and be present. If it's helping 1 million people change their lives, do it, but do it with presence. Everyone is different. Your main purpose might be to be a great parent. Maybe your grand life purpose is to help those less fortunate, to stand up for injustice that matters to you. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you know it's right for you. When you discover that thing which you must do, it will take on a life of its own. You will discover yourself to be greater than anything you ever expected of yourself. If you're continually searching for it, you're missing out on living. And when you miss out on living in this moment, you miss out on creating your best moments, which lead to that purpose. You might say that you have a purpose and a why. Your purpose might be to help others out of depression. Your why might be because you have been there yourself or lost someone you love to depression. Your purpose might be to give your children love and presence. Your why might be because you didn't receive it yourself, because you know the opposite and don't want that for anyone. Your purpose and your why might have nothing to do with each other. Your why might be your family, your legacy, something that has nothing to do with the work you do. Why is it a must for you? What is the reason? If your purpose is meaningful and your why is strong, nothing will stop you. Find that purpose. Get quiet and understand why you must.